Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to access and use ChatGPT plugin. Now, in order to actually use ChatGPT plugin, you will have to need two things. First, you will need the access of ChatGPT plugins, and second, you will need the ChatGPT Plus. So to get the access, all you have to do is click on Join Plugin Waitlist. Then over here, just simply enter your full name, last name, email address, the country, and some simple questions, and then click on Join Waitlist. And within 1 to 2 days, you will receive an email, and after that, on that email address, your plugins will be enabled. Now, after that, in order to actually use the plugins, you will still need the ChatGPT Plus option. So after you get the ChatGPT Plus option, all you have to do is just simply go to your profile at the bottom left, click on the three dots, then just simply click on settings, and right over here in the settings, just simply click on the beta features, and then over there, just simply enable plugins. Now, after you have enabled the plugins option, right over here, just simply click on ChatGPT 4, and under that, you will find the option of plugins. So click on that, and then you will find plugin store, and after that you will get a pop-up. So click on OK, then again click on the drop down box, and then you will find a plugins feature under ChatGPT 4 option. Choose that, and then just simply go to plugin store, and right over there you will be able to see a huge variety of plugins that you can use. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel, and take care.